Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Annalisa Fernandez. I'm 43 years old. I live in Hermosa, Bayambang, Pangasinan. I am married with one kid who is turning 16 years old next month. I have 8 years experience in Dubai, United Arab Emirates in one family. My employer has 5 kids, age of 16, 13, 11, 8, and 4. My main responsibilities in the house is picking and dropping the kids in the school. I'm going out with them if they want to watch movie in the cinema or they want to play in the park or in the arcade. I even go with them if they have school activities. My employer's house has a 5-bedroom, 1 majalis, 2 sala, 1 playroom, and gym. We are 3 maids in the house and 1 driver. In my free time, I'm helping my colleagues in cleaning, ironing, and laundry, even gardening. I don't usually cook because we have a cook, but I can follow recipes in the YouTube. I can cook Filipino food. That's all. Thank you.